Let's say you have a set A, which includes some elements from a bigger universal set U. Now, think about everything that is not an A, but still within the universal set U. That collection is called the complement of set A. It shows us all the elements outside A, but still within the defined universe. In short, the complement tells us what A does not have. The complement of a set A is written as a prime or a complement. It is represented as a followed by an apostrophe or sometimes as U minus A. Mathematically, it is written as a complement equals the set of all x such that x belongs to U and x does not belong to A. Let's take a universal set U is equal to 1 to 10. Now suppose set A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, the even numbers. Then the complement of A includes all the elements in U that are not in A. So a complement is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10. This tells us what A is missing within the universe U. A Venn diagram makes this very clear. Draw a rectangle to represent the universal set U and draw a circle inside it for set A. Now shade everything outside the circle A but still inside the rectangle. That shaded region represents A complement, all elements in U that are not in A. This visual is especially helpful in problems involving complements and intersections. Here are some important properties of complement. A union. A complement equals the universal set. A intersection. A complement equals the empty set. The complement of the universal set is the empty set. The complement of the empty set is the universal set. Taking the complement twice gives you back the original set. A complement equals A. These properties help solve complex expressions involving multiple sets. Complements are useful in many real-world areas like logic problems, database exclusions, probability, and decision-making. For example, if A represents students who passed a test, then A complement represents students who did not pass. To summarize, the complement of a set tells us everything outside that set but still within the universal context. Now that we've covered all key set operations, union, intersection, difference, and complement, you're ready to apply them to solve real mathematical problems.